Now the next we are having the formation of bond between nitrogen and how nitrogen molecule is formed. See here, as we are having nitrogen, its atomic number is 7. So its electronic configuration is, in its first shell there are 2 electrons and in its second shell there are 5 electrons. Okay. So either nitrogen have to remove 5 electrons from its outermost shell, or nitrogen have to gain 3 electrons to attain noble gas configuration. Okay. And the alternative is there, it will form triple bond by sharing the electrons. So it is given here, nitrogen having its outermost shell 5 electrons, same another nitrogen atom is there, and they will share the 6 electrons between them, and they will form triple bond between nitrogen, and the molecule formed is N2, that is a nitrogen molecule is formed, triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. Okay, so these are the formations of bond, that is single bond, double bond, triple bond. Now we have another look at methane. So let us now look at methane, which is a compound of carbon. Methane is widely used as a fuel. This is a fuel and is a major component of CNG also. CNG is compressed natural gas. It has formula CH4. The main is the formula of methane is CH4. Carbon is tetravalent because it has 4 valence electrons. In order to achieve noble gas configuration, carbon shows these electrons with 4 atoms of hydrogen as shown in figure. As we know, carbon has 4 electrons in its outermost shell, so either its tendency is to lose 4 electrons or to gain 4 electrons to form C4 negative or C4 positive ions, but that is a difficult task. So carbon always share their bond with the other atoms of elements. Okay, now we will see here how carbon share its bond with hydrogen. Okay, such bonds which are formed by sharing of an electron pair between two atoms are known as covalent bonds. This is the important definition, that what are covalent bonds. Such bonds which are formed by the sharing of an electron pair between two atoms are known as covalent bonds. When the bond is formed by sharing of electron, that bond is called the covalent bond. Okay, is it clear to you? These are strong bonds. These are the strong bonds within the molecule, but intermolecular forces are small. These are the strong bonds within the molecule, but intermolecular forces are small. This give rise to low melting and boiling point. Because the intermolecular forces are strong, because the intermolecular forces are weak, so melting and boiling points are also low. Okay, covalent compounds are generally poor conductor of electricity. As they are forming the bonds, they do not have ions, and whenever the ions are not there, they do not conduct electricity. So now we will see the formation of CH4, that is methane. Here in the center, that is C, carbon, hydrogen having 1 electron, hydrogen having 1 electron, hydrogen having 1 electron, hydrogen having 1 electron. Four hydrogens are there, and this is a C having 4 electron. 1 2 3 4 electron in its outermost shell. So 1 electron share 1 electron with the 1 electron of hydrogen. Here the sharing takes place, here the sharing takes place, here also the sharing, there will be the formation of bond take place. This is the electron sharing, so single bond will take place. So the formation of the structure will give rise to the structure like C, H, H, H and H. This is the final structure, CH4. So this is the electron dot structure for methane, how the methane is formed. Okay class.